If you watch this video to the end, I'll be showing you a very creative way to use your Liquify tool. So let's get to it. In this video, we have this picture here. So let's see what we can turn this picture into. First thing we want to do is duplicate our layer right here and using our Ctrl J. Now we turn this into a black and white color, whatever. Or you can use, in simple term, you can use your Ctrl Shift U to desaturate the picture. So let's delete this right here. Let's delete this one. Now, the next thing we want to do, we'll come here to our filter, come to Liquify. Now, for this video, what we want to do now is we want to use our Liquify tool using this tool here. We'll call it the forward warp tool. This forward warp tool is used to reshape your picture. Look at this. We can use this picture to reshape, bring it to whatever you want to bring it, do whatever you want to do with it. That's for your the forward warp tool. That's what it does. Now, why this reconstruct tool is maybe, for instance, now we have we've done this forward warp tool here. So this reconstruct tool will help to bring it back inside, to construct it back to the way it was. That's what the reconstruct tool does. But for this video, we'll not be going through all the tools, but rather we'll be using only the forward warp tool for this picture. So here's what we're going to do. We can just simply take our forward warp tool. The size is so exactly how we want it to be. And let's do this. Okay, that's not much. Let's take it again. Do it again. I just want that division right on the middle. All right. So let's see before and after. We have exactly what we need here. So let's click on OK. Okay, this is looking really nice. It's looking really nice. So let's take it back to our filter Liquify tool one more time. Let's see if we can make few changes to this thing. Let's adjust and adjust. Okay, let's click on OK. So this is looking very nice. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to probably maybe just duplicate this layer. Ctrl T. Let's flip horizontal. Okay. All right. Then click on OK. So let's see what we have here now. This is very nice. Let's see the before and the after. So how good this thing is. See, there's so much you can do with your Liquify tool. There's so much you can reconstruct, you can reshape, you can do everything you want to do using your Liquify tool. You can using your Liquify tool. So that's it for this video. If you find this video really helpful, I want you to click the like button, hit your notification button, and ensure you comment what you want me to make next. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.